Naresh Samlal, CEO of CloudSource.us, and we are experts at cybersecurity, specifically protecting your business against ransomware. Check us out at CloudSource.us. Visit us on all social media platforms. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to submit the request for the free security assessment that we provide to your organization. Talking about today, ransomware, a topic that I absolutely hate talking about, but I also love talking about it because no one's talking about it enough. Your business is too important not to protect. And so I've seen it. We get the call. It's a Tuesday morning and everything's locked. You walk into your office, you try to log into your computers, and you can't get in. And not only can you not get in, no one in your organization can get in. There's a screen up that basically says your computers, your technology has been held ransom, and you now need to pay to unlock them. That's a situation that is gut-wrenching, it is real, and I wish more people were talking about it. We deal with it quite often. In fact, what we do more than anybody else is protect clients like you from that situation. It's happening at an alarming rate, and you love to hear this. AI is at the core of it. The real timeline is not something everyone wants to hear. You're not going to get back into your computers that day. You're not going to be able to collect payments. You're not going to be able to talk to customers. You're not going to be able to pay your employees. You're not going to get back in. It's going to take longer than you think. It's going to cost you a lot more than you think. And when you get out of that situation, if you were to get out, I hope you have cybersecurity insurance, and I hope you had the right things in place so that you can actually collect from your cybersecurity insurance. We are experts at helping business owners like you prevent that situation from happening. But if it ever were to happen, you have a partner in us to help you navigate this exact situation. You need to have multi-factor authentication, immutable backups, a security plan, and 24/7 monitoring. All of those things that we help with, so you don't have to feel alone. Listen, I hope you've learned something from these videos. I hope this has been educational. I wish this was a story I'm telling. These are not stories. These are actual situations that we deal with on a daily basis. Your business is a real situation. So please visit us at cloudsource.us. Submit the request for a free security assessment. Allow us the chance to work with you. We'll call you back. We'll email you, whatever it is. We're going to be there to help you out so you don't have to feel alone. But look forward to talking to you again. Check out our other videos as we do a lot more educational videos on cybersecurity, protecting your business, using technology, and know you have a trusted partner that you can rely on.